Well, we made a East Coast trip a couple of years ago with another couple from Montana, and I had been online and looked into Luxe, but we had never seen one in person. So we decided to go and stop at Tampa RV show right before COVID hit, January before COVID hit. So we were able to go through the Tampa show, and I did not see a Luxe on site. So then I did a little more research, and I come to find out that you guys are off-site. And so we went over there and looked at the Luxe, and this model was sitting there. It's a 38 GFB, and we liked the floor plan, liked the layout, liked the wall thickness and the paint job and all the other nice stuff that goes with it. So the only other time we saw one is in Marietta, California, and that was this last spring in March. So we were able to go over there and got to take a tour of the three models that were on site there, just to, I guess, confirm that we wanted to go with the Luxe. And we had made up our mind that we were going to go with the Luxe. We didn't look at any other models. Luxe was it, just because of the quality build and the people that are building it, and between Jerry, our saleswoman, and we are now in the Luxe, and we love it, and we're ready to head for Washington State. Well,
okay, my turn. I had not done the research. That's his department. But he did show me things online. And then we flew out. And on his birthday is when we put our order in for our Luxe. Because we knew the California show was going on. So we put our money down and got our spot in line. And now it's my understanding that if we had waited, we'd be like number 60 right now. So evidently, Luxe is quite popular. And so we came, we looked, we met Jerry. We had talked with her on the phone and via Facebook and email and things quite often. Came to find out that when we had been in Tampa and had talked to a lady there, but of course, being as old as we are, we don't remember the name. All I could remember is she was blonde. Well, after talking with Jerry, come to find out her hair was blonde at that time. And looking back in her records, it was Jerry that we had talked to way back then. And so we went with Jerry as our salesperson. We couldn't have been happier with anybody than her. She was wonderful.
Crew that do the post-delivery finalizing. They're taking care of 2 pages of issues, and every day, last third day we've been here, and we're down to just a couple little items, fire extinguisher and stuff like that, and we're about ready to pull out and do a little test drive down the road, and hopefully within the next day or so we'll be heading west to Olympia.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, the crew here, the people. If the brand doesn't sell you on them, the people will. Everybody has been super friendly, super helpful. We were amazed at how quickly they get things done.
Organized.
And organized. If Joe says it's going to get done, it gets done. Yeah, we're really, really pleased with everything. We love it.
There was one item that we had that came up yesterday, being that we've been here for a few days, and we had a few dirty dishes, so we decided to use the dishwasher, and come to find out that direct from the manufacturer, we had a dishwasher that would not turn on. So Joe this morning did some more research on it, and we went and did some laundry and had breakfast, and we come back and there's a new dishwasher in here. They just awesome. Take care of every little thing.
Once they found out it didn't work, Joe was right on it. Out it went, and
put in a new one.
Put a brand new one in.
You can't beat that.
No. No. So, yeah, we're happy. I think I know what he's going to say.
Well, I would probably say storage underneath in the front compartment, and then the cargo bay. We had a Montana, an old Montana, 2002 Montana, and there was not very much storage underneath. And we have a larger solar system, and it gives me the opportunity to have more capacity and more panels on the roof and everything else with this model. If you bring it up to them soon enough during your build, they're able to move all the vent lines and the satellite dish towards the center line of the trailer, which gives you a nice clean path for solar. All you have to do is bring it up so they know where to put stuff for you, and any little accessories that you want or change out, they'll do it. We can change out receptacles and put in just straight receptacles, and they can put in a USB receptacle with electrical on the bottom. So we had a couple of those that we had them do to make it handy for us, like alongside of the lazy boy here, or the theater seat, and it's going to work great.
I got my first walk-in closet ever. One thing that we did have them customize is normally the washer and the dryer are on the ends of that nice walk-in, and we went with a Splendid combo and put it there in the linen closet. So we have combo down below, and that allowed us to keep our coats closet still going. And then in its place, we have now 3 drawers in each end, some more storage. So that's probably my favorite part. I've always wanted a walk-in closet. I finally got one. Arizona. We winter in Arizona. And the nice thing about having this bigger unit now is we're gone anywhere from 6 months to 9 months, depending upon what trip we have planned. But normally we leave in October and come back in May to be home for our grandson's birthday. Haven't missed one yet.
Yeah. Sweet.
Another thing that I like about the unit in Luxe is the paint job that's on it. Very few coaches out there have as nice of a paint job. The full body paint, the decals are all paint. I mean, no decals, but all the design is paint. It also is different because all the slides are recessed into the wall of the coach, to where it is less chance of water getting in and stuff like that, because the airflow over the side of it's gonna, any rain and stuff like that, be a little harder to get into some of these cracks and stuff. But other than that, love it.
We're very happy.
Love it.
Hi everyone, Erin here from the RV Factory. It was an immense pleasure to do this video with Debbie and Larry. And if you're interested in seeing a walkthrough of their unit by a factory rep, I will link that in the description below and the video that'll pop up somewhere around here.